If you want to have a full and attractive beard, I made this video for you. This is one of the most powerful masks for beard growth. So let's get started. 1 tablespoon aloe vera. Aloe vera moisturizing properties for wonderful beard growth. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Research has shown that lemon is very good for beard growth. A teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best oils for hair and beard growth. Best part: mix time. When it becomes jelly, it means it is ready to use. It is very easy to use this mask, but it has some important points that I will definitely tell you in the video. Step 1. You must first apply the mask to your beard. You can also use cotton. It smells like spring. It has a very special smell. Like me, tap your face gently. Use this mask twice a week to see the result in the fastest time. Let's go for the second step. Step 2. Now massage the mask on your face with your fingers. Repeat the massage like me to make your beard grow faster. Because massage stimulates the beard follicles, and strengthens and grows the beard quickly. From ancient times until today, massage has been used to grow beards and hair, and this mask is both healthier and better for the health of your skin due to its natural nature. Excellent. Now, after 15 minutes, wash your face with water. Let's see how it feels after use. If you are allergic to mask, don't worry, just wash your face. This mask makes the beard softer and certainly thicker. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Please support us with your likes. We are human with any race.